Cool, I have started the recording. So, hey everyone, welcome back to another video of the series. My name is Harsh, and today we are having Satyam with us, who will be sharing his knowledge and experience on how he got the role. Satyam, let's start with your introduction.
So hey everyone, I am Satyam and I completed my bachelor in technology from IIT Roorkee in production and industrial engineering, and I have just started my job as a product analyst at Sprinkler in, in June last in late June, like end of June.
Okay,
So other than that, I have been involved in academic projects and teaching work in my college and sports activities too. So yeah, I have a bit of a varied resume.
okay. And can you tell us more about the role? What does a product analyst do at a company or a firm?
So in very crude terms, if I want to explain it to anybody, it's basically like a company basically provides a product. Yeah.
Hmm.
So before it goes into customers' hands, isn't it better to test it out yourself and come up with the bugs and issues and what improvements could be made? So that's where product analysts come in very crude terms.
Okay. And can you tell us more about how the interview process was for you?
So Sprinkler had a very smooth interview process. So basically, I got placed from the campus drive, and when the company came and conducted their screening test, after a month we got the shortlist, and within 10 days of the shortlist coming out, the interview process had four rounds basically, three technical and one HR. So and all those were conducted within the same day, and mostly I think the longest round was around 30 minutes, no longer than that. And the interviewees are very understanding, very polite. They'll make you feel very comfortable, and you will not feel intimidated. Like I think most of the people can relate to that, feeling intimidated during interviews. So that was a good point. And because the role does not require anything like specific, like it doesn't require your expertise in say chemical engineering or mechanical engineering, it's a very intuition based job. So basically they'll test you on that. They can ask you basic questions about first year probability, like most engineering colleges study, and other situations like guesstimate case study. So I think you can find everything about guesstimate and case study on YouTube. There's a ton of sources, and it's very easy. And like obviously, like every interview, there are the generic questions like what did you do in college? Tell us about yourself, and why do you want to join us? What would you provide? So it was a very easy interview. No, not exactly easy. Like it was a smooth interview. Not nothing like you had to prepare something specific. You
Okay,
had to be like your intuition has to be good. Intuition based thinking should be good. That's all they require.
okay. And how did you got the role? And how did you prepared for it? To be specific, like you focus more on the project building side of the things, or is it you focus more on any particular language or something like that?
No. Language is not required in product analyst role. No language, no coding, not at all. So uh, basically, like I said, your intuition based thinking should be good. Your approach should be like project specific. It shouldn't be like it should be like when you are assigned a project,
Hmm.
you have to do the whole thing from the end to end. Basically, you have to research it, you have to implement it, and everything is upon you. So that kind of thinking is required, and it's very easy if you have a good intuition and you have a project based mindset, which I think engineering colleges do very well. They build problem solving skills into us. So,
Okay,
and as per the preparation, I just studied some guesstimates and case studies from YouTube, nothing else.
okay. And
Just be
anything,
confident.
yeah, anything you would like to suggest to someone who is like aspiring for a similar role, be it at a different firm?
Yeah, like Product analyst is just before the product comes out of the company and goes into the customer's hands, it will come into your hand, and you will have to test it end to end and get the bugs fixed, provide more suggestions and everything. So you are basically the customer, and you have to think like the customer, and you have to think beyond that. Like, maybe you are not a regular user of a product, so what would be going in your mind? And otherwise, there are expert users of the products, like software products. So you have to think like them too. Like, what would they think if they use our product? So it's basically very, very crudely saying, it's problem solving at its best.
Okay. And anything else you would like to mention about communities, or like how they can help someone grow and prepare for a role?
Like communities in the sense, the college groups.
It could be like college groups or the online communities which are available.
Yeah, I don't think product analyst preparation requires communities, but it's good to be knowledgeable in the general sense. So that's never not good, I would say. It's
Okay.
always an added bonus to have extra information, to be aware what is going around you.
Yeah, I totally agree with this. So,
Yeah.
thank you, Satyam, for taking your time out and coming up and sharing your knowledge with the people. I hope this will be helping the viewers who are watching this video. And any closing notes you have for the viewers?
The closing note is that if you are joining Sprinkler, it would be a good good experience. Like, it will be worth it. I guarantee that.
Okay, great.
And don't worry about your placements. If you are confident enough and you really actually know why you are doing that job, you will get it. And Sprinkler is a very good place to work.
Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope Satyam's experience will be helping you a lot, and I'll be adding Satyam's LinkedIn in the description, so make sure to check it out as well. And thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.